How are you, YouTube? George here, and this here is Del Stevens Mk2 148 Gtl Dx, and finally finished Del. He's been a while waiting, but so we just nailed it all back together here, and everything is good inside. It's been all tuned up. I'll just cut to that section here. So here's a quick look around inside. So we have the harness for the counter here. See that running in? It's all cable tied. UK40 FM module is there. That's a Spectrum one, I think. And yeah, that's pretty much the inside of it. Just take off there for the frequency counter. So all is good. Oh, and just to add, if we flip that switch down here, this one, it's for UK FM. Sorry, there we go. 78125. So that's your UK FM, and it must be on mid-band here, but have that taken care of on the decal. See, it says UK mid, so you have to have it there for that. Alright, so we'll have a look at the offsets here. Del, we're hooked up onto test point 3. You just see here in the background, this is your harness for your counter. So we're on channel 19 on mid-band, which should be 16490 on AM. And then we go to upper sideband, it should be 164925, which it is. And then on lower sideband we should have 4875, which it is. So what we'll do now is we will move the probe from there over to here for transmit, and we'll put it onto AM, and we key the microphone 27185.0. So she's bang on. So we'll put her back together now, and we'll have a look at the finished product. And then, as you can see, we have her all back together. Secret sauce, the whole 9 yards. Very good bezel on this. Chrome is in excellent condition. She's had the blue treatment, and it has all the usual stuff. We'll go through all that in a second. So I'll have it on the generator here. 100 microvolts. Hard to get that. Very hard to focus on blue stuff, but you can see it's on. If we get in close enough, it's on S9. So the generator, you can see it there. It's on 185. So I just switch it over to the dummy load here, and we'll go through all the bits and bobs. Okay, so we're hooked up to the old Vanny's dummy load here. So we're on 27185, and we're on AM. We're just using a standard non-amplified Cobra microphone, and we're looking at the whoopsie daisy. We're looking at the middle scale, which is 15 watts. So 5 watt dead key. 1 2 1 2. Nice bit of swing there. So we go up to upper sideband. Still picking up the generator. Is it? It is off the lead. See what we're doing power wise here. Again, we're looking at the middle scale. 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2. We'll go to lower sideband. 1 2. Save the 2-color meter and the blue red RXTX light. We can turn the beep off here. Plus 10 kilohertz. and the usual here. This does what it's supposed to do. And UKFM, you have to have it on mid here. You just flick that up and you're on UKFM. So yeah, came out quite nice and neat. So all that's left to do now is to get boxed up and get out of here. So that's Dell's 148 Gtl Dx Mk2. Hope you have fun with it, Dell. So there we have it. Turned out nice. I'll get you all in the next one. Bye bye.